Hello friends of FORZA Laser, we are at FABTECH 2024 in Orlando, Florida, and we are here with two colleagues from FORZA. Guys, beyond commercial advice and sales engineering, can you perhaps share in a storytelling manner what you do or how you help our clients on a daily basis? Let's start with you, Chris.
I think what's important, more than promoting our machines, is to truly care about what the customer's needs are, what their short-term and long-term goals are. Many times, they come in with a certain power in mind, with a certain technology in mind, and it turns out they need something lighter to meet their needs.
Thank you very much, Chris. Mari, what is your vision of helping the customer?
Okay, perfect. Well, my part is more focused on the customer experience. For me, the most important thing is that the customer experiences as little stress as possible when acquiring their equipment. Why? Because we know that when they enter into one of these projects, it's not just about buying the machine or the installation. For me, the most important thing is that the customer does not feel stressed, that we take care of absolutely everything from technical advice to installation and the last bolt that the customer needs for their machine to be operational.
Okay, excellent, Mari. Thank you very much. What is this, huh? We are waiting. Oh, no, dude, no, dude.
Why does everyone go ahead? This was a project inside BLM in order just for the show, the end application.
If you have creativity, you can create anything. Amazing.
We are going to request commercial management and the incorporation of video games in our FORZA Laser plant in Guadalajara.
I think it's also interesting to see that this type of product is a product that can be made with laser. Yes, well, we see all these details, all of this you could do with a laser equipment. So it seems super interesting, and it really catches the attention. In reality, many times we focus on the small machines we have, but I want us to dimension the size as such, the type of cuts we have in these extremely large pieces. In fact, here they even have a type of sculpture made as well. The topic of this technology is that it is very generous as it allows you to take advantage of 100% of the material. And here we can also see certain much larger applications.
I would like us to talk about innovation. True innovation, the kind of innovation that makes real sense to the consumer, to the client.
One of the conferences, the American Welding Society, AWS, mentions that a shortage or disappearance of at least 500,000 specialized welders is expected by 2025. So, the innovation we have found here is a lot of automation. Many new automatic tool chain systems with the goal that the machines do not need several operators, but rather that one person can run the entire factory. The incorporation of artificial intelligence technology precisely to improve cutting processes and make them more efficient.
You are a mechatronics engineer. You are involved in the world of robotics and technology. How do you feel talking about robots, and how do you feel seeing all the technology in its full splendor?
I believe it is an industry where you never stop learning. I really do think it is our responsibility, above all, to be that link between the people who follow us, the people who watch us, who are fans of the YouTube channel, to be able to inform them with this. One thinks they know a lot, but they come here and realize they have so much more to learn.
I would like to talk about innovation versus the benefit that a customer can obtain. Why? Because while it is true, at these fairs we find several new systems, as Cristian already mentioned, we also have to understand what really makes sense to the customer. So we always start at FORZA Laser from there, from knowing exactly what the customer needs, whether they want to increase their production, how they will increase it, and how they will obtain the best cost benefit, the best investment, versus the accounting rent of their machinery. Something I have discovered is a lot of technology already regarding bending machines, which is a new product that we have incorporated this year. but there are also some interesting automated systems that we could incorporate later on. So this has caught my attention.
Taking advantage of our presence here at FABTECH Orlando 2024, let's see if our friends at Steel Plate let us make some baskets. Okay. Oh yeah, you said we continue.
Do you perhaps have light?
Narguesa is a Spanish company that has different machines. In fact, this one here is a horizontal bender used to bend small plates. And you rely on a direct movement.
In this sense, this robot was made based on bending.
I see that there are parts that are not necessarily all bent and cut. They are not automotive parts. Machine covers that perhaps are no longer used. In reality, what you see is a part of a transmission, also helical gears. That is to say, this robot is very recycled. Yes, 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 it is a recycled robot. It's incredible. It's a red version of Bumblebee. Companies come that offer machines for $200, $300, $1,000 to indicate a very small product in which they try to express creativity and all of this. But I think that from our perspective, we already come with exactly what it is that our clients really do. So I think we have an advantage thanks to being very close to our clients. It's as if they focus a lot on their products. And FORZA Laser is a company that indeed tries to be close to its clients in the sense of how we can help you. It has been 2 days of much learning that seems to have lacked time because we are very passionate about this technology.
Today we had a lot of fun. There were many opportunities to play and hold some events within FABTECH. I think it is important, as Cristian said, to have awareness of the equipment that exists, which we not only sell but can also gradually incorporate. Likewise, the number of companies with different needs and characteristics is important to know. And I also believe that we leave with several opportunities for improvement, both within our customer experience and also in the solutions we can provide regarding our equipment.
I like to see the magic of serendipity, the magic of how different people from the team join and get involved in other contexts. And today we are here in the US, and as Chris already mentioned, they can tell us, or we can watch videos, or we can try to learn from a distance, but being here up close with the leaders or giants of the industry gives you a different level of awareness, and that level of awareness is precisely what will allow us to make good decisions. And the level of awareness has 2 dimensions. One is inspirational regarding what we can do, and the second and most important is that we have what the rest do not. And since we do have that, it can open many doors for us in this great market. If someone really comes to know what we definitely do at FORZA, it would be impossible for them not to buy a machine from us. And well, I was delighted to have shared this year's event with the FORZA team, and we had a great time. We learned, gained more awareness, and we are also very inspired and motivated to continue conquering not only the market in Mexico, but also 2009, the US market. I am Fabricio Reyes, and this was FABTECH 2024 Orlando, Florida.